entire screen. Share now. Share. So it's still shooting and it can still hit enemies.
Okay, so stop playing.
Okay.
Okay, so click on turret. Well, okay, you already have turret 1. Remove the logic. So remove turret shooting.
I already removed it. It must have.
Yeah, when you have the game, running, and if you do any edits, it doesn't save those edits.
Oh.
So you have to. That's why I say stop playing, because when you stop playing, you can record the edits.
Yeah, I know that.
Weird, but
I knew that about like the other thing, but not this. Hold on.
Okay.
And
Let's
yeah,
fix
that's true.
Okay, good. What was that?
my paths look weird, but I don't care. This is supposed to be like this.
Can you share your screen? I can't see anything. I can't see your stuff.
A minute.
Okay, what about your path?
Like it looks different.
Yeah, that's fine. Those are the new assets I have. That's fine. You can change that. You can change the colors later and
What is
everything
this
else.
right here?
That's a turret.
No, but then why is it all the way over there?
Because we were testing it.
Oh,
We left it. Yeah, we left it there. So can you actually erase the turret on the left hand side? The hierarchy. You see it says blue turret on the turret. It's the color blue. Yeah, just delete it.
delete it.
Yeah. Right click, delete. Yep, and just press play, and then you'll see that the game works. Well, actually, you have to do some edits. Actually.
Oh my.
I filled my whole screen with turrets.
Okay. Okay. Can you stop playing, Benjamin?
Okay. Wait.
Okay. So what you need to do is one, click on the projectile. It's in the project folder, all the way in the bottom. You see, it says projectile. It's a white circle.
Oh.
Can you scroll down on the inspector, and then it says sprite render. Sorry, order and layers too. Okay. It's going too fast. That's what's going on. Okay. Can you click on turret instead? It's the thing also on the good. Change the projectile speed from 200. Give it like 12. Here's the 12.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. The next thing is wait. Click on your turret again. Okay. Click on layer. You see next to the name it says layer, or untag the layer. Click on add layer. Okay, and then go to line number 8 or user layer 8, and then type in turret, capital T. Turret. And go back to the turret, click it again in the bottom, and then change the layer to. Oh, okay, it already changed it. Good. And what else is there?
Oh, yeah.
I think that's it. You're able to place it. Yeah, now you're able to place the turrets, and they're able to follow.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. So for everyone else, let's start. Yeah. So right now, we have two problems. Well, yeah, two problems. One, it's the turret is shooting continuously, so it shouldn't do that. It should only shoot when the enemy is near. And second, when you have multiple turrets next to each other, it's doing this. It's like the circles are bumping into each other. So what we need to do is we need to the layers. We need to change the layers so they don't bump with each other. Okay. So let's first start off with only shooting when the player is there. So let's go to the turret AI. No, turret shooting. Sorry. Let's go to turret shooting. Let's open up that script. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna do one simple, one condition that we can only shoot if we're ready to shoot, or if the enemy is there. So turret shooting has nothing to do with the enemy, so it doesn't know when the enemy's near. The thing that does is called turret AI. So we need to connect turret AI and turret shooting with a variable. So we're just gonna make a Boolean, a true or false, and the AI is going to control that Boolean, and then depending on if it's true or false, then it's going to shoot. So up here, let's type in, after projectile speed, let's type in public bool, B-O-O-L, and public bool, and we're going to call it can shoot, and then semicolon. Okay, once we have this, the Boolean can shoot, we're going to scroll down here. After the curly brace of C time, if frequency is bigger than if C time is greater than frequency, we're going to go down here. And then here we're going to check if can shoot equals true. That means we can shoot. And then this one is, what we need to do is we need to surround all this with the if statement. So let's do an open curly brace. If it auto-completes with you, and do the close curly brace, delete the close curly brace. And then we're going to go down until after C time, and then we're going to do close curly brace there. Okay. So you see it says open and close. And then all this is inside the open close curly brace.
What? So where did you put the other curly brace?
The curly brace is right here. After can shoot, it goes true. We do curly brace here. So open curly brace, and then the same code. Yeah, the same code is going to be there. So after C time, that's where you put the end curly brace.
What is my...
Okay, so let's press save. Control S to save.
Fernando, what's the format for? I mean, what's
I'm not done.
the key code for just for like formatting it? Mine got a bit messed up.
Oh, the command to format?
Yeah.
Okay, so on Visual Studio, it's Control K D.
Okay.
Hold Control K and then D, and it auto formats for you. Okay, so did everyone get this? So we can move on.
Yes.
I've been dealing with the Visual Studio thing because I'm trying to sign in my account, but it's not letting me. Could you copy and paste that in like the Google Drive?
Sure. Okay, so just go to the Google Drive. I think you should have the link. Do you have the?
Yeah, I have it.
Okay, perfect. Just go to the link, and then it's going to be a Word document. There.
All right.
And then it's called Partress.
Wait. So how again do I open up the Notepad instead of Visual Studio?
So you right click on the project folder and just click on Show in Explorer.
Yeah.
Okay, and then there, I think you might be in the outside folder, on the assets folder. So just make sure you click on assets.
Yeah.
Okay, and then there, just find the file, right click, and then open with. And open with Notepad.
Okay. I did.
Got it?
Yep.
Okay, perfect. Okay. Okay, so we're good here. Let's move on to the next step. So we have this here on this file. Now we're gonna open up the other the other script. It's gonna be Turret AI. So let's open up Turret AI.
Is that your wait? Where? Oh, turret AI for the script.
Yeah, the script. Yeah, open it up.
Wait a minute. Let me try to open it.
Okay. So now that we're inside the script, what we're gonna do is we're going to set our variable to true or false depending on the situation. So here, let's take a look at what's going on in here. Here, we're checking if the enemy count is greater than 0. So for me, this is good enough. This is saying we have locked into an enemy. We have an enemy on our site. Here, we are rotating towards that enemy. So that's perfect. This is where I want my my thing. If you want to do something more specific, like let's just say you want the distance of the enemy to be a certain amount, you can. It's we have the distance stuff here, getting the distance of this enemy. So here you can have a if statement, say if distance is less than something, less than the radius you already have, then we can shoot this guy. But it doesn't make, for me, it doesn't make sense because you already have a radius. You're already detecting the enemies, so why are you putting more? It's like once you detect the enemy, just go ham and shoot him. So I'm gonna do it right here after transform.rotation. And what we're gonna do is, luckily, turret AI and turret shooting live in the same game object. So what we're gonna type is we're gonna grab the component. So get component, and we're gonna get turret shooting. So we're gonna grab the script called turret shooting, and press period. And then here we want to change the can shoot. So we're going to type can shoot. So you see can shoot is a public variable, so that means we can change it. So we're going to say can shoot equals
Oh my
true.
god.
What?
It keeps opening something.
Okay, so we have get component turret shooting, can shoot equals true. Okay. Okay, and then how do we turn this off? We turn this off if we don't have any enemies to shoot. So luckily, we're already near the if statement. This if statement finishes right here. On mine, it finishes on line 35. So what I'm going to do is just press enter, put an else, and I'm going to do the opposite. So I'm going to say get component, turret shooting, and instead of true, I'm going to set it to false. So equals false. So now my turret is now being controlled by my logic. So if the enemy is in the vicinity, if we detected the enemy, go ahead and shoot him. So can shoot equals true. Then it starts, dealing the bullets. If it's not, then it's going to stop.
Fernando, what is your rot speed?
What is my rot speed?
Yeah.
Do you guys not have this part?
I just didn't have the rot speed.
I have an air under rot speed too.
Wait, one moment.
90.
I think I changed it here. Let me see my turret. Yeah, 90. Sorry.
Okay.
Yeah. I think that's pretty fast though.
Can I see the code again? Where the
Sure.
Wait, is it public or private?
Mine is a public.
Okay.
By the way, I was able to get Visual Studio to work again, so I guess that's good.
Yay! We'll celebrate. You had a question, Parsha? Parsha, you had a question?
Yeah, so I have two errors. One of them is under rot speed, and then the other one is under my script name, even though I have it the same name. Look under the get component.
Okay, well, I'll take a look. Can you share your screen? Benjamin, all you have to do is after line 37, you have to put a closed curly brace. So press
did.
enter. Okay, put
Even here.
No, that's the one for the whole. So you need one on 38. So type another one on 38.
What?
You need another one.
I can't. Oh my god.
What are you doing?
I don't know. Like,
No. Click on line 38. Okay, now type a closed curly brace. Okay, now press enter and do it again. Okay, and let's see. There's a space between period and can shoot. There's no space. 137. Yeah. Can you highlight over what's going on there? Oh, I see. Your else statement is in the wrong place. Can you delete the curly brace that's right on top of the else? On top of the else. Yeah, that one. Erase it. Yeah, and that should fix everything. Yep. There you go. It's fixed. All right. PowerShar's turn. ¿Qué pasa, muchacho?
Can you copy it to the drive? Because I have like a million errors.
Sure. Okay, it's copied to the drive.
Yeah, over here. Are you in my? I'm presenting, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, over here. I have an error under turret shooting, even though it's the same name. And then I also have an error here.
Okay, so rot speed is not defined. Up there, you don't have something called rot speed, so just make a public float and call it rot speed and do 90. Yeah, semicolon. Yeah. Just scroll down. So that fixes one problem. You copied it twice.
Copied which one?
The variable, the one you just created. Scroll up. Rot speed.
Oh, what the heck?
There you go. Okay. Now the next thing is get component turret shooting. Can you hover over that? What's the problem? Can you go to turret shooting 2? Well, that's weird. Can you go to turret AI? I have no idea why it's not working.
Yeah.
Can you just save it and go to Unity and see if it compiles? I think your problem is that turret shooting 2, if for some reason it's a miscellaneous file. Maybe that's what's messing it up.
No, there was another error. Yeah, it was something about meta file or something. Why
Okay.
can't I switch over?
Well, let's see what's going on the Unity page.
Yeah, it's okay. I think it's fine.
Okay, yeah, it's fine. So it looks like it's just an editor problem. Yeah, for some reason, the turret 2 is a miscellaneous file. It was not compiling correctly, but I guess it's working now. You're still missing some lines in the code, though. So after the curly brace on 36, yeah, press enter, and then else curly braces. Yeah, and then copy the line that you just wrote, the get component, and instead of well, this one actually is supposed to be true. The other one's supposed to be false. Yeah, so paste that. Yeah, no, that's correct. No, that was correct. The top one is true.
Fernando?
Yes.
Whenever I run the script, it fixed all the errors. But like whenever I play it, and I have the preview. The preview is like 2 blocks over.
Can you share your screen?
Mhm.
But for everyone else, it should be working. You just press play, and then your turret would only fire if it's near. So it's
Yeah,
not
that
randomly
part.
shooting.
Yeah, that part works for it, but just not this. Look,
What?
let me go full screen. Whenever I hold on, let me restart. Whenever I play, it just goes 2 blocks ahead like this.
That's interesting.
But
Okay.
it places in the right place, but it's just the preview's in the wrong place. So I can still like
Okay.
do this.
Okay. Can you stop playing?
Mhm.
Okay. Can you click on the tower defense tile 249 on the hierarchy on the left? Yeah. Click on that. Okay. You see the position? It says negative 249. Yeah. Make that 00.
Oh, I think I actually changed that on accident, maybe.
Yeah. Now press play and it should be censored.
Oh yeah, because I was just playing around with the thing that I saw in the scene editor thing. So yeah, now it works.
Okay.
Fernando.
Yes.
I don't know what happened, but everything just stopped working.
Nice.
Yeah.
Okay, just give me one moment.
Oh yeah,
Okay, you
they
have
don't
one.
shoot. They don't shoot. For me
Yeah. I
now.
was about to tell you. You have a problem. You have another error. So can you stop playing? Okay. Can you click on your project folder?
What do you mean?
The project is this project. It says project. One of the
Project,
tabs. Yeah. Click on your turret. Okay, it has some missing scripts. Can you open this prefab?
Mhm.
Okay, what's wrong with this one? Turret shooting. There's something wrong with turret shooting. Okay, can you open that turret shooting up? Oh, I see the problem. You just copied and pasted. You need to change the class name. You see, the class name is different from my class name. So it's the fourth line. Do you see the fourth line? It says turret shooting. It should be the same name as your file. Your file is capital T and then underscore shooting. And underscore shooting. There you go. Save it.
Command S.
Mhm.
My thing's going crazy.
Try it.
Oh my god.
It has errors.
Okay, what's the error? Can you press clear?
Clear.
Top left. Yeah, left. Clear. Can you double click? What's that? The name tertiary. Yeah, can you double click?
I don't know.
Let's see. Scroll down. Oh, I think I know what it is. Turret shooting. That line where it says get component.
Here. I see
Yeah,
it.
it's the same thing.
the
Capital
two.
T and then. Yeah, you have to be careful with your names. Yeah. After the class, stay. I'll help you install Visual Studio for Mac. It's a separate thing. Okay, so save it. Go back to Unity, and it should work.
Command S. X. Unity. Clear. Loading.
Are we done? I don't think so.
Okay, clear. Yeah, I have no.
Done with what?
Yay. Now let's. Can you please let me play? Okay. Hold on. We gotta wait. And it works. Yay.
Okay, perfect. All right, let's move on to the next step. The one
Fernando,
that hopefully is working.
Oh,
Oh yeah,
I
sorry.
have
We're like
too.
bumping into each other.
Okay, hold on, guys. One at a time. Parshar, and
When
then
the
I'll
bullet
get to
hits
Zane.
the enemy, it just flies everywhere.
Yes, I know.
That's
We're
what
gonna
I
fix that.
said.
Um,
All right, Parshar. Let's see what you have.
Yeah, so I can't place anymore. I don't know why. Like I can't place.
Well, you have a problem. It says variable enemies of turret AI has not been assigned.
Yeah. They just put that in there. I don't know.
Wait. Wait, no. Your
No,
turret
no.
should be your enemy should be 0 because it's manually controlled um by your script.
Oh,
So
so
delete.
wait.
Yeah, that should be 0. Yeah, your turret AI only detects your enemies, or whatever enemies it detects, it adds it to that turret. So go back to your turret on the main assets folder. I think you have it at 2. That's why it's giving you an error.
Yeah, I
Yeah,
just.
change it to 0. Yeah, press enter. There you go. Now it should work.
Wait. Also, shouldn't this show up? Why is there a problem?
I think that
With the
might be
order?
your rendering problem. So go to your go to the turret, and then what's it, that little the arrow on the hierarchy? Go to the child of turret, game object, and then change the order layer to 1. Yeah. Make sure you apply all.
Okay.
So click on the turret, the parent, and then apply overrides. Apply all, and that should work.
Oh, I should have done that one. Yeah.
Beautiful. Okay. Now the next step is I think did someone else have a question? I think it was Zane, right? Or Reese. Sorry, get you guys confused. Reese, right?
Wait, what'd you say?
Oh, who had a question?
No,
it was
I
you.
don't have a question.
I did.
Zane, you had. Okay, what's your question, Zane?
Basically, my bullets don't shoot like the same way the barrel's pointing. They kind of shoot in random directions.
Can I see your script? I mean, can I see your screen? Sorry.
Yeah.
For everyone else, if you guys want the enemies to stop flying around, click on all your enemies, go to your rigid body, and then change it from dynamic to kinematic. The body type. So it should be the first one, and then whenever it shoots, they don't go flying.
The enemies.
The enemies, yeah, just change them to kinematic. All the enemies that you have.
All right. Is that optional, or do we have to do that?
Unless you like your guys flying around in the map, then yeah, I suggest you doing it.
So it's basically
Okay, so this is
optional.
what happens basically. So I place these turrets down. See, like the bullets are just firing randomly, and they're like
What
staying
the-
here, stuff like that.
Okay, can you spawn only one? I can't see with all the commotion that's going on.
I know I can spawn more.
No. Can you spawn one? I only want to see
Oh.
one.
Okay.
Because it gets getting crazy with your map.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, it just does stuff like this.
Okay, can you stop playing? Where's one of your turrets? Cannon. Can you click on your cannon? Is that a fresh cannon? Like you just
just
dragged it out?
Prefab, I think. Yeah.
Okay, I think I know the problem. The problem is that the cannon is not fully. There's no gravity when it's kinematic. The cannon should be facing to the. Was it to the left or to the right? I think it's to the right. Yeah, cannon should always be facing to the right. So go to the child of cannon. Yeah,
Okay.
and then rotate it 90 degrees to the right. So on the.
Which one,
Is-
X or Z or Y?
It's on the Z, negative 90.
Z. Okay.
Negative 90. Yeah.
Okay.
And then apply all.
Oh.
And see if that works. Go to Canon. No, Canon. Yeah, the parent. Yeah. Override and apply all. Yeah. Press play. Let's see if it works.
Now I can barely even see the bullets. They're like little flashes.
The bullets are working. I think your bullets are going too fast. What's your speed for your bullets?
90. Well, that's my rock speed.
No. Your bullets.
Oh.
Can you click on your projectile?
Yeah.
Scroll down.
They don't have a
Well, no. Sorry, not the turret. So click on your turret. Your
cannon.
turret should tell, cannon, and it gives you.
Oh,
yeah,
200.
projectiles to 200. Yeah, it's too fast. Go like 12 or something.
12.
Yeah.
Isn't that gonna be like really slow?
You forgot to apply all.
Oh.
No, it's an okay speed. Like your range should go from 10 to 18 maybe. Did you press apply all?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's kind of like bouncing off the enemies though.
Okay. Well, there's another issue. Your bullet is a big Can you press pause? Yeah. Can you select one of your bullets? Yeah. You see what's going on there.
What?
Where's your box collider?
Well, if I drag out one of my, well, I'll just do pause of the game. If I drag out one of my bullets, the box collider is, where is it? See, it's just I made the box collider just like there.
But your pivot point. You see your pivot point is right in the blue circle, and
Yeah.
then your object is not in the center. So that's
Oh,
why it has a
yeah.
weird offset.
When I just
Uh,
downloaded the sprite, it was already
yeah,
like that.
that's fine. That's fine. To fix this problem, click on your bullet, the actual like part.
Oh, like down here, this one.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Click on sprite mode from single to multiple, and then press sprite editor. Okay. Just press apply. Okay.
Okay.
And then just slice it automatic. Just click slice and then automatic. Slice.
Slice.
Yeah. Okay. And click your bullet. I think there's a square around it. Yeah. You moved it.
Oh.
Just
Whoops.
undo.
All right, then that's
okay.
good.
Just press apply.
Where's apply?
Top.
Up here.
Yeah, and close it. Yeah, and then now it's only the bullet. So now click on your projectile. Yeah, and then instead of that sprite, let's click on. So now you see there's an arrow next to laser bullet, the artwork.
Yeah.
Yeah, click on the little arrow. Yeah, and then just grab that bullet into the missing sprite on the inspector.
Oh yeah.
Perfect. There you go. So
And
now,
that's
yep. Now if you click on the
Oh,
thing,
I gotta redo the box collider though.
Just reset. Just click
Oh.
on reset.
Where's
Click on the triple dots, and then reset.
And then you have to override apply all.
Yep.
And then
Okay.
delete this.
Yeah, it should work.
Okay. It's better though, but it's still bouncing off of them.
I
Yeah,
have a
well,
question after.
Bouncing off of them because they have rigid bodies.
Yeah.
You made them kinematic, right?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, that's okay. We're gonna make them destroy. The bullets are gonna be destroyed once they hit the enemy, and the enemy's gonna take health. So we're gonna do a health system. What's your question, Zane? Sorry,
You mean Reese? All right.
Yeah.
Yeah. So, which sprite do we change to kinematic? Like, is it the prefabs or the
yeah, the enemy prefab. So whatever prefab, if you're using my assets, it's enemy parentheses 1 and then enemy variant prefab asset.
Is it the body type kinematic and rigid body?
Yeah. Inside rigid body 2D, you just need to change the properties from regular dynamic to kinematic.
All right.
Okay.
Thanks.
All right. So it looks like everyone's on pace. That's good. Now, the next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna do a health system for our enemy.
Yay.
Okay. So now let's go click on one of the enemies, whichever enemy you want. If you're using my file, I suggest you doing just the one that says enemy. Because this is not a variant. So whatever you do to this enemy, it applies to all the enemies. That's why I made it a variant. So make sure you select, it's the one that's like a grayish red one, not the orange and not the like light green one. It's the one that has like a red stripe. And then on the right-hand side on the inspector, click on add component, and we're gonna create a component called enemy health. So remember there's no space between the script. Also try to spell it like I did. If you're just copying and pasting, like for example, Bryce, if you're copying and pasting, if you want to manually change it, that's fine. But if you just want to stay consistent, you can try spelling it like I did. So enemy, lowercase e, and then capital H, and it's all camel case. If you want to do it your way, that's fine. You just have to do a little more work.
Is this which enemy is this on, or which?
Whichever enemy. So just select. Did you download? Are you using my downloaded version from yesterday?
Yeah.
Yeah, so like I said, use the enemy that has the little red stripe.
Okay.
You see it? It's just called enemy. The others are called enemy 1 and enemy variant. Hi, click on create and create.
What did you call it?
Enemy health.
Enemy health, yeah.
Enemy
health.
What's like uncapital and what's capital?
It's right here on my screen.
It's camel case, so the E is lowercase and the H is capital.
Okay, are we ready? Okay, so we have our enemy health. Now, just like we did with the other health systems, we require, for now, we're just going to require 2 variables, which is how much health do we start off with and how much health do we currently have. Again, this is just to keep track, of percentages. If you want to do a health bar, again, I don't think it looks good if we put a health bar. It just depends
Wait
on
just
how
a
we're going to
minute.
put the health bar.
Can you wait for a minute?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, I don't really think a health bar would look good. It just make it really cluttered.
Yeah, because you have a bunch of enemies spawning and then a bunch of bullets flying.
Wait, I have an idea. What if we make it so every time he gets hit, he turns a little bit like lighter, and then eventually he just dies?
Lighter.
Like less like more opaque.
Yeah, we can do that.
Okay.
Okay. So so first let's start off with our variables. The first variable is going to be public float, and I'm just going to call it overall health. Okay, and I'm going to give this guy 3 health.
Oh wait, what script does that go? What does enemy health go under?
It goes inside the enemy.
But I have 2 enemies.
Yeah, just it's going to go under both enemies then.
Oh, okay.
If you downloaded mine's are prefab variants, so you just do it on one and it applies it to all. But we haven't talked about that, so don't worry. Just manually do it for both. Okay, so now that we have our overall health, we're going to make another variable. This is going to be a private, so it's not going to be shown. And this is going to be called current health. Okay, and then semicolon. Once we have that, let's go inside the start function. And then we need to set what current health is. Current health is equal to
100.
overall health. No, current health is overall health. So whatever my overall health, that's what current health is. So it's 3 out of 3, means we have 100%, 100% health. Okay, so now that we have that, we're gonna go after. Let's go after line 14, or on my screen it's line 14. So after this curly brace, and we're gonna make our public function. Okay, our public function is going to be our damage. Whenever we take damage, this function is going to be called. So of course we want to make it public. So we say public, public void take damage. And take damage is going to take a float. So because what we want is we want different turrets. Different turrets have different bullets, and then those bullets have different what is that called? Strengths, I guess. Damage amounts. So here we're gonna say D for damage. Actually, I'm just gonna spell it. Stop being lazy. Damage, and then curly brace. Okay. So now we have a function called take damage. So whenever it gets hit, it's going to call this function. So here what we want to do is we want to subtract whatever our current health is by our damage. So current health minus equal damage. And then here we need to check if we dipped less than 0. So if we're less than 0 or 0, then it's game over for the enemy. So they say if current health is less than or equal to 0, we're going to do curly braces, and we're going to say destroy. Oops. And game up. So ourselves.
Wait, I'm not that.
Yeah.
Destroy. I think I'm done now. Whoever's not done.
Okay, so we're still not done. We're just waiting for everyone else to catch up.
Okay.
Do you guys
Isn't
need
it?
me to copy and paste?
Yeah, could you do that again? The Visual Studio is not working anymore.
Next. I copy and pasted.
You did?
Yeah.
Is it called part trees or like?
Part tres, yeah. Trees.
I don't know what it. Oh, it's
Tres.
Spanish. I just read it as trees.
Yeah, I don't have the accent, so that's why it might have thrown you off. I'm bad with accents.
All right. This is it.
Part tres.
Hmm.
Version 2019 of Visual Studio's really bad because it keeps asking me to sign in, even though I've already done it 3
How do you have
times.
2019? I have 2017.
I don't know. If there's a way to update, I would gladly do that, but I can't.
You want to go back down to 2017?
I would prefer that. That's how bad it is.
Okay.
I don't have any Visual Studios.
All right. So let's get back, guys. So the next thing we need to do is we're going to do that that effect, the opacity effect. And so we're gonna go after take damage. We're gonna write one more line, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna grab our sprite renderer. So we're gonna say get component sprite renderer. Okay, open close parentheses. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna say dot color, and we're gonna make a new color. Okay, it's gonna be 1F, 1F, 1F. That means 111. It's gonna be white. And we're gonna do comma, and here we need to put a number a number between 0 and 1. 1 being full opacity, 0 being no opacity. So here we're gonna do current health divided by overall health, and then semicolon.
Why is there so many 1F?
Sorry, yeah. So it's RGB, red, blue, green. 1 is for red, 1 is for blue, 1 is for green. So that means it's completely white. 111 is white. We don't care about the color of that object because we're using a sprite. What we do care is the alpha. So we're changing the alpha to a decimal. So this is our current health, or how many health we have, versus how much health we are left over. Sorry, how much health we're left over with, and how much health we started off with. So kind of think this is like a test, right? If the test is out of 10 points and you got like 8 points, you got a 0.8. You got 80%.
Did I do something wrong here?
Yeah.
Because it says syntax error.
Yay, I don't have to copy and paste this time.
Yeah. Can you scroll a little bit to the left? I think you misspelled something.
Maybe I did. I wrote current health.
Oh, you forgot a comma after 1F.
Oh, okay. There.
Mhm.
But then why do other people have to copy and paste it?
Sometimes they fall behind and they need a copy and paste, or their Visual Studio doesn't work. You can do the same if you want. Being lazy. I was kidding. If you need to catch up quickly, you can just copy and paste. Anyways, so yeah.
I try every time, but I just I'm too slow, I guess. I'm just a turtle.
Okay, so so you copy and paste it. So now, when you shoot the enemy, so now your enemy should be
Dying.
Did I just lie to you guys?
Hmm?
Why isn't it working? Is it working?
Or is the thingy, or is the enemy just walking too fast? Not like hitting people.
Oh, I'm sorry. We're still not. What am I doing? We haven't even done the damage stuff. Yeah, it's not gonna work because our damage is never being called. I was like, what's going on?
Fernando, my bullet still hit the character. I mean, the enemies out of the screen.
You have to change your enemy's rigid body to kinematic.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So I forgot the last part. So let's go down here after take damage.
I don't have the kinematic thing in the rigid body.
It's one of the options. Instead of dynamic, you change it to kinematic.
Wait, what? Oh, okay. So it's not like the 3D one.
Yeah, it's not like the 3D one. Yeah. Okay, so let's go back to the enemy health, and then we need to write one function. This one auto completes for you, so this is pretty long. So if you have Visual Studio, good. If you don't, good luck. So here we're gonna type in void on collision, enter 2D, and it's gonna come in. It's gonna bring in a collision 2D object. And in here we don't care what hit us because whatever hit us, it's a bullet. We know that for a fact. There's no other thing hitting us. I mean, you can put in a statement, but I'm not gonna put that. And then here I'm just gonna put take damage, and then how much damage the bullet is gonna give us. So here we're gonna say collision.
I
Get.
wasn't paying attention.
I'm sorry.
I wasn't paying attention. I thought you were like talking to someone else.
Oh, collision
Right.
enter. 2D.
Oh,
Make sure
my.
it's a 2D.
Yes.
Make sure it's 2D,
Thank you, Zoe.
Benjamin.
Hmm?
Make sure it's 2D. You have on collision enter, but no 2D. You know, 2, capital D. Same thing with the enter. After the word enter, you need capital 2 and a D. Oh, sorry, 2 and a capital D.
Where?
Right there on collision enter. It's a yellow colored.
Oh, yeah.
2 and then capital D. There you go. Okay, so we do collision game object dot get component and get component, and we're gonna call this bullet info. And let's not call this bullet projectile info. Open close parentheses dot damage. Okay. So this is going to be highlighted red. It's because we have not created it. Okay. So don't worry. We are going to create it now. What?
Nothing.
Okay. The reason why we're doing projectile info, because like I said, each bullet or each projectile is going to have a different, because you're going to have different turrets. Each one's going to give you different damage. Okay. So that's why we put here projectile info. And so save this, Control S to save. Let's go back to Unity. Okay. And click on your projectile. It should be if you're using my project, it's going to be the white circle that says projectile. Scroll all the way down and then add a component.
Is that for all of us?
Yeah, this is for everyone.
Oh, do we save the code for a minute?
Yeah. Save the code.
And then?
And then click on the projectile. Yeah, and then scroll down. We're going to add a component. And we're going to call it projectile info. Is that what I called it? Yeah, projectile info. And new script, create an ad. Make sure we're using camel case.
Whoa, what happened? Prefab has missing script. Open prefab.
Huh? Just click open prefab. Or just double click the new script. Projectile info.
Wait, where do we add the new script?
It said something didn't save.
Okay. So
I
for
think it
where?
didn't.
Okay, hold on. So for the projectile, just make sure that you click on projectile, the projectile we're shooting. Scroll all the way down, and we're going to add a component called projectile info.
Okay.
Fernando.
Uh-huh.
When I click on my projectile now, it says prefab has missing scripts. Open prefab to fix the issue.
Yeah, just open up your script. We'll fix that problem.
Yeah, it doesn't work. It's not working for me. It's saying I have it, but it's not showing it.
Okay, can you share your screen?
Mm-hmm. It's showing I have it, but because if I go to add component and then I go projectile info,
Did we do the code yet?
No.
projectile info, and I do new script, it says a script called projectile info already exists at that path.
Okay, just leave it alone. We're fixing that problem. We're writing the code for it. It's just what it's doing. It's complaining that there's a variable that doesn't exist. We have to create that variable. Yeah, so just relax with the errors. We're gonna fix them right now. Okay, so let's go to our script, the one we just created. So it's called
Enemy help.
No, it's what did we just call projectile info. Okay,
Projectile
and
info.
yeah, for projectile info, let us write the code for this. So we are looking for damage. So we're going to say public float damage equals, and just give it a default of 1. And then save, and that's it.
Wait.
Wait, what
The
script
code?
is it under?
This is projectile info, and it's under the projectile. All it is just giving information about the projectile.
We just say float damage 1.
Yeah. And then on the inspector, whenever you have more powerful projectiles, let's just say you do a laser cannon or whatever you have, you can change the damage per hit. This one is just doing 1 per hit. Okay, so just save that, go back to Unity, and then it should stop. Unity should stop giving you errors. And if it does give you an error, just click on clear, and it should go away. And then just press play, and it should work.
Fernando, I have some error code sharing violation on path C, and then it gives the C dot users like that.
A violation. Interesting. Can I see your script? Can I see your screen, sorry?
We don't see the health bar, but that's okay.
Wait, did we
No,
add,
they're working. You see, they're slowly disappearing. That's
did we add
beautiful.
anything to projectile info?
Yeah, they slowly get lighter and lighter.
Yeah,
Well, not lighter, just like less visible.
less invisible.
Yeah.
Okay. What was the question? Sorry.
Did we add
Uh,
anything to projectile info? I had to
Yeah,
go.
we did. All
Oh.
we did is just added public float damage 1, and that's it.
Okay.
I'm adding
Well,
a bunch of turrets.
Okay, Parcha, let's see what you have. Lol. Can you go to console and just clear the problem? Okay. Try pressing play now.
The enemies don't even get the chance to go on the pass. It just gets promoted.
Oh wait, are they supposed to get grayed out? That's actually pretty.
Yeah, that's what we were just doing.
Yeah. Okay. Okay, so I have to add it to the other one now.
Okay, perfect. So it looks like everyone's is working. Anyone have any questions?
yeah.
Yeah.
Which part did you
My
add the
thing's
stuff?
loading right
I was-
now.
One at a time. One at a time.
Which part did you add the stuff at? I can't really see.
The projectile info.
Yeah. Could you zoom in a little bit? I can't see.
Really, you
Oh,
can't
wait.
see? It's right
Oh,
here.
I'm reading it. I'm looking at the wrong screen. Sorry. There it is. All right. All right. Yeah, I can see it.
Okay. Okay. Someone else had a question. Bryce, I think.
My thing's just not loading.
What thing?
My, yeah. Keep stopping in the middle. By the way, I found a way to force quit. You just have to right click it and then force quit.
Interesting. Oh, cool. Okay. Now I know. It's always stuck like this.
I accidentally inspected this. Whoopsie. Exit.
So it doesn't load, right? Maybe try erasing, or we're gonna erase something. Can you force quit again? Okay. Can you go to? Oh, it looks like it loaded.
Finally.
Okay, you just needed some time. Never mind then. Okay, so does everyone else's thing work? So we can move on.
I'm still testing. Right, hold on.
You have an error in your code. Yeah, I think you forgot a parentheses. Can you double click on your error?
Me?
Yeah.
Mhm.
Your error is color house get component. Wait, it says
Nothing down
line
there.
7626. Wait, hold on. Oh, you're missing a parentheses at the end of take damage. So you see where you wrote take damage all the way at the end before the semicolon.
Oh, like this?
You need a parenthesis. Close. No, you only need close parentheses. Yeah. Okay, save it. You can go back.
Command S. Saved. Play.
Now, whenever you save, Unity has to compile, so just give it a couple seconds, and then you can press play.
Oh.
Mm-hmm.
I have a problem.
What's your problem?
So my turrets aren't shooting at all.
Okay, can you share your screen?
Yeah.
Can you pause your game, Bryce, and then click on that exclamation mark? What is it saying? No, pause. Don't play. Play again. Play again, and just pause the game. Because I want to see what the exclamation marks are for. No. Unpause it. You can let the game play, and then until those questions. Yeah. Okay. Now can you press plus? Okay. Can you click on one of the exclamation marks stuff? Yeah.
An enemy variant is missing.
Okay. Can you click on one of the enemy variants?
Already on it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Scroll down on inspector. What's going on here? Oh, your script enemy health is not correct. Okay. Can you stop playing?
Enemy Heath.
Stop playing.
Okay. It says enemy Heath. That's why.
Okay. Yeah, and then just rename your script to enemy Heath. So you see public class, you have help. Just remove the L. That's the fourth line of the code.
Sheath.
No, not that. That's a variable.
Oh,
It's
that's
the name of the
current
class.
method.
The class. This is public class, and then the name of the class.
And then
So-
sheath. Get rid of the L.
Yeah. Save it and go back, and it should work.
Command S. Unity.
Stop playing.
It's loading right now.
Now play again.
I replayed.
Okay.
Yeah, it's
Okay,
good.
good. No errors. Okay, good. All right. Let's see, Reese. What's
okay.
your problem again?
So the turrets aren't shooting at all.
They're not shooting at all.
Yeah.
They're shooting, but the opacity isn't changing for me.
Okay, I'll check it out. One moment.
They just keep
So,
spinning
like-
and spinning.
And yeah, I'm not really sure what to do.
Can you stop playing? Can you go to enemy shooting? Turret shooting, sorry. Turret shooting. The last one.
Oh, hold on. Shown Explorer. I hate this. Why can't Visual Studio just work?
Okay, can you close this one and then open up Turret AI? It was right there. It was right there. Turret AI. You don't have the code that we just wrote.
Oh, I'm
Okay.
sorry. I'm trying to deal with this whole Visual
Yeah,
Studio.
okay.
thing.
Go to the line, the transform rotation line. The one that says slurp.
Smart. Where's that?
Keep going down. There. You passed it. Before the trigger. Yeah, you see that line? Here. You need to go 2 lines below.
2 lines below. Here.
One more.
Oh,
That one.
here.
Yeah. Press enter. Okay, and then what you're gonna type is get component. So actually, you know what? Let me just copy and paste it so you can just. I think it's already pasted. No, it's not. Yep, just copy and paste.
Oh, shoot. I'm in the wrong account. Come on. All right. Oh my gosh. Come on. There we go. My computer is riddled with problems. Oh, could you paste the link in the chat again?
Yeah.
All right. Oh my gosh. What is... I'm so confused. There we go. Finally. This is in Turret AI. This is in Turret AI.
Yeah.
Ooh, someone's breathing a little too close to the mic.
I save.
Oh, shoot. Hold on. There we go. All right. Saved. Oh, yeah, it works. They're like fading away.
Yep.
No.
Yeah.
Stay alive or die, whatever.
Okay, good.
Mine
So-
don't stay alive.
Okay, so we have that working, and let's go back to Bryce, and we'll fix the problem. Bryce, do you want to share your screen?
Sure, yeah. Your entire screen share.
Okay, so let's see what's going on. Can you click on, or can you open up your? Okay, this is enemy health. Wait. Can you go back? Well, it looks like your enemies are disappearing. I don't see any enemies. Well, they're flying around too. Did you forgot to change them to kinematic? So stop playing. Okay, click on your enemy. That one. And then scroll down on the inspector. And then change the scroll up a bit. Don't scroll down too much. Yeah, the rigid body. Okay, that one. Change it from dynamic, so body type dynamic, to kinematic. And that's it. Press play. Are they disappearing now? They're not. Can you stop playing? Can you go back to your script? The script that you have open. Enemy health. Okay, that looks right. Can you go back to your Unity game? Oh yeah, I got the problem. I know where the problem is. Can you go back? I just saw the problem in the script. 2D, it's capital D on void collision. Go down.
Can I look
Go
for
down.
a
Go down.
bullet?
Where?
Oh, hold on.
Here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Capital D.
I got the other one. Not that one, though.
Okay, save it, and then it should work.
Command F.
Just a moment, Parsha.
Unity. Let it load the save. Okay. Perfect. And play. And spam turrets.
Can you stop playing? There's an error.
Oh. Yeah. See that?
Just double click on the problem, or
Uh,
no? Why'd you click clear? Put it to the turret. That's where the arrow comes in. Okay,
Yeah.
stop. Press pause. Or
which line is it?
this is line 26.
Mm-hmm.
So it's to take damage. Projectile info. How did you spell your projectile info?
Let me see.
Go to your project folder. Projectile and info. Okay, can you go back to your script and make sure it's spelled exactly the same? No, don't minimize it. Just bring up your script.
No, I could just do
Yeah.
this. Proj. Ectile. Yeah, they're the same. Colon has a matching colon. Well, not. Parentheses has a matching parentheses. Not that.
What line is it in again? Sorry.
On line 26.
Line
Uh,
6.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 24, 25, 26, 28, 29. Wait, hold on, we went past it. 28, 29 was like right here. 28.
I don't
Nope.
know what your script. I don't know what's wrong with it. Can you just copy and paste it from my
That's what I was thinking of.
Yeah, that's why no one types code in text documents anymore. We have IDEs for that.
Chat. Why did I do that? I already have it open. I don't care that I'm presenting. So just this whole entire thing like this.
Yeah, but wait, what? Which one are we editing? Is it Turret AI? This is Turret AI. I don't think we're doing Turret AI. You're doing health now.
Oh yeah, I just repaste it.
Okay, so copy and paste it.
Okay. Command C.
Fernando, do you think
Mhm.
I could look for a bullet PNG while I'm waiting?
Yeah, sure.
Where do I find one? I can't find one on Open Game Art though.
You could draw one, or you can just look at Google. Google usually has a good.
Okay.
Enemy health. It's saying it was wrong on enemy health, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Command
Okay.
F.
Scroll up. Scroll up, and then change enemy health to enemy. Remove the L on the health.
Oh yeah. Enemy heath.
Uh,
Enemy heath bars.
yeah. Save it.
Command S.
Okay.
Put a couple times just to make sure. Let Unity load. And we play, and does it work? Is the real question. Only turret spam will know. Is it still not working?
Why is it not working?
Hold on.
You know what?
Go here, clear it.
There's another problem there. Stop.
Enemy heath.
Okay, hold on. The error was it was telling you what the error is.
Hold on, pause.
It is object not set to a thing, so object health. What is that? Not set to what? Can you stop playing?
Yeah, I'm here.
No, stop playing. Your game is still playing.
Yeah, I paused it, but yeah, now it's done.
Okay, line 20. It still says line 26.
Yeah.
Yeah, the only thing I can think about is your projectile info is not correct. What is the? Can you go to projectile info?
Projectile info, it has nothing in it.
Yeah, it does. That's public damage.
Oh yeah, true.
Project.
Can you copy it and paste it into there?
Is literally just one line. I don't know what's going on with yours. Just leave it there for now. I'll help you at the end of the class with this. I have no idea why it's not accepting your. Oh, I think maybe your enemy health is not in the right location. Click on enemy. Let's scroll down. Now it's in the right. Well, actually, scroll up. Okay, can you click on projectile? I think you forgot to add it on projectile. Scroll down. Yeah, there's no projectile info here. Yeah, that's your problem. I don't know how you created that. No. Just add it. It's right there. Go back. Yeah, it's right there. Yeah. Now press play. Yeah, I don't know where you added projectile info to. Oh yeah, now it should work.
Yeah, it
Hey.
works.
Okay, perfect. All right. Parashar, do you have a question before we move on?
Are we gonna
No,
make
no,
money? Are we gonna make the money now?
No, the money system is what your assignment is for next week.
Mm.
Okay. So we have our projectiles. They're dying. Now the next thing we're gonna do is what was the next thing we're gonna do? Oh, the fixing the bullets. Because when you put multiple cannons next to each other, the cannons, the bullets start to clump together like this, and that's not good. So we're gonna let the bullets pass each other. So make sure you're paying attention to this because we're editing physics and layers. Okay. So the first thing we're gonna do is we're going to click on the projectile, and then click on layer. Click on layer, and change the projectile to turret. Okay. So make sure you select the bullet. Okay. Change the layer and then change it to projectile. Oh, sorry, turret. Sorry, turret. Okay. So once you have that, let us click on the turret, the actual turret. Okay. And let's go to the child. So the one that says tower defense tile sheet.
Fernando, sorry, can I get some help really quick?
Sure. What's up?
So I tried to add the new bullet PNG,
Mm-hmm.
and it shoots, but then the bullet, even though I rotated it, even though it rotated like this, the bullet still goes like horizontally.
Oh, you have to have it as a child. So right click on bullet, make a child, and then put that as a sprite, and then rotate it, and then the parent is gonna fix it.
Wait, what did you do?
Hold on, Benjamin. Okay, so right click on bullet, Parashar. Did you get disconnected, Parashar? Yep. Okay. Okay, Benjamin. So what we did is just take out the enemy, just the turret. Make sure you're careful with it. Don't move it. Okay. So we just click on the turret, and what we're gonna do is we're going to change the layer on the sheet. So it says turret defense tile sheet, and we're gonna click. So you see how it says default?
I don't where.
So click on the layer. It says default.
Are you looking at my screen?
Yeah. So click and drag one of your turrets out. So the turret from the project folder. No. The turret from the project folder. Yeah. Click and drag it out. Mm-hmm. Yeah, and then go to the child, the children on turret. So click on the little arrow. And then go to the tower defense tile sheet. That's the one we need. So click on the layer to change layer. So top right. And we're gonna add a layer and then call it body. Okay. Once you have body, let's go back to the again back to the tile sheet. So the child, and then change the layer to body. Okay. Once you have that, click on edit. Go to project settings.
Where?
Edit project settings. So in the menu bar, go all the way to the top of the menu bar, and then click on project settings. And once you have that, this will pop up. And if you're not defaulted to Physics 2D, just click on Physics 2D on the left, and then scroll down on the Physics 2D. Then you'll see a matrix. And then what you need to uncheck is body and turret. Body and turret cannot touch each other. So uncheck body and turret.
Which one is that? Oh,
Wait, should we have turret unchecked too? Because I already
Unchecked
have turret
Yeah.
unchecked.
Yeah,
Okay.
turret and turret should be unchecked anyways. Yeah.
And then what else is unchecked?
Body and turret should be unchecked, and turret should be unchecked.
I don't have a body.
Oh, we just created it.
Yeah, I think I missed that. Okay.
Yeah. So just click on the child of turret, and yeah.
The child of turret.
Oh, we still have a problem. What's going on? Oh, okay.
In the game object or the barrel?
The game object. It's the game object right below the one that has the artwork. So the one that
Yeah.
just has the box collider.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Wait, the one that does not or does?
that does have the box collider.
Yeah. And then you add what?
Change the layer to body.
Change the layer.
So make a layer called body. That's what I mean.
Yeah. Mhm.
Change it to layer.
Wait, which one is the layer? The one where you add the layer?
It's the child of turret. So on yours, I think yours is the tower defense tile sheet 2-4, whatever it's called.
Yeah.
Fine.
Do we apply all then?
Yeah. Make sure you change the layer to body, and then the parent should still be turret, and then overrides and apply all.
do we like save?
Yeah, but we're still not done yet. So for
Wait,
the ones
what?
that downloaded my project, there is a problem because I did multiple layers. So to change this, click on click on the one that has the red stripe, the enemy that was red stripe, and then change the layer back to default. Yeah, and now press play, and then your game should work fine.
Oh, what'd you say? Sorry. I'm
So-
sorry. My headphones are also not working very well right now.
Okay, so click on your click on the enemy with the red stripe.
Yeah.
Okay,
What did
and
we
then
just fix?
change the layer from I think it's body. Change it to default.
Fernando, I'm gonna go, but I'll be back.
Okay,
All right.
All right.
What did we just fix?
what was that?
What did we just fix?
Now the bullets can go through the turrets. Now the turrets don't the
No,
The
mine's
bullets
still mine is still like that.
Yeah, mine too. Mine still gets stuck.
okay. Stop playing. Did you uncheck turret and turret? So go back to the edit and then yeah, turret and body. Okay.
Like
Can you
that.
go to your? Oh, did you press apply all to your turret? Stop. Close that. Okay,
Me?
go to turret. I'm talking to Benjamin. Go to turret on the left-hand side. Yeah, and then scroll all the way up, and then apply all. Overrides, apply all. Overrides. You're right. You're almost next to it. Overrides. Yeah, and then apply all. Okay, now it should work.
I think it is. Oh yeah, it is. But it stops at the enemy.
It stops where?
Never mind.
Okay, see, so now the projectiles are not hitting each other. That's good. Okay, Bryce, did you get it?
No, because when you were talking about the thing, I think you cut your camera, your thing cut out or something.
Okay. Okay, so let me help you out then. So can you stop playing?
Oh yeah.
Okay, can you click on your tower defense tiles, the child of turret 1?
I'm gonna try it.
Yeah, okay.
Higher.
Okay, so first, we're not. You shouldn't be working with this turret. Just say don't work with this turret. Grab a turret from the bottom. So we're grabbing a fresh one. Yeah, click and drag it out. Yeah. Let's scroll down. No, don't delete it. Don't delete it. Just leave it there.
I'm destroying all enemies.
Turret. Click on
Turret?
turret. Yeah. Okay. Now this one. Let's go to the child. So click on the little arrow on the hierarchy. Go to the child of turret. The first one. Yeah, and then scroll up and make sure the layer is changed to body. You don't have body, so click on add layer and make a layer called body. Okay, and then click on the turret again. No, the one that's already out there, the child of the turret. And make sure the layer is changed to body. Perfect. Okay, now click on your projectile. No, we're still not done. Go look for the projectile. Okay, that's turret. Perfect. So now let's go to edit and then project settings. So on the top menu, all the way on the top, all the way on top. Yeah, edit and then project settings. So go down. Yep. And then let's change. Go to physics 2D. Okay, let's scroll down. Okay, and scroll down. Keep going. And okay, you have the matrix there. So uncheck body and turret and turret and turret.
Fernand, did you do anything while I was gone?
No.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. You forgot. Body and body can't touch each other. Body and body. That's turret.
Like
turret.
that?
You're the last one. The last on the bottom. You have to check it. The last one. Yeah, that one. Okay, now close it. Okay, now click on the enemy with the red stripe. Okay, it changed the. Okay, that was changed to default. Okay, perfect. Okay, now press play and it should work.
No.
No, what? It's not working?
Yeah.
I've done all of that, and for some reason, yeah, my bullets don't pass, and my bullets get stuck sometimes too.
Okay.
And I still start with the turret.
Okay, just delete the turret. Well, before you delete the turret, just click on the tiles again. Did you apply all? Did you click overrides and apply all?
No, overrides. Apply.
No, you didn't. There you go. Now try it.
Yeah, it works.
Okay, yeah, it looks like the bullets are going through. Okay, perfect. Okay, so it works on yours. Let me see. Let me take a look, Reese.
Yeah, it's weird. Oh wow. Okay.
Someone's doing some serious
Breakage
dishes.
plates. Right.
Okay, let's see.
Yeah. So here, I'll place a bunch in a row so you can see. But yeah, the bullets get stuck on each other.
Okay, let's stop playing. Okay, click on your. Okay, just click and drag one of your turrets out from the project folder. Yeah. Look at this child. click on the turret and like look at his child.
Yeah. It's
Okay, that's your body. Perfect. And now can you click on projectile and see if it's tagged as projectile default? Perfect. No. Sorry, projectile should be turret.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Turret.
Okay, now try it.
Hopefully that works. Hey.
Okay, looks like it's working now.
Fernando, can I get some help with something?
Yeah, sure. Yeah. So just delete the other turret, Reese.
Oh, okay.
Because remember that random first turret that you have is just lying there. Okay,
Should I
can you share
delete
your-
mine? Should I delete mine
Yeah,
after
You
turret?
can just delete yours. Yeah, the ones that we dragged out, the newest one, you can just delete
Yeah.
it. All right, Parashar, let me see what you got.
Yeah, wait, so first, when you showed Reese that you have to make the layer as a turret, should I do that too then? Because I don't know what that was for.
This is your bullet. Yeah.
Okay.
Mhm.
Okay, and then the other problem is so I found this while you were helping someone else, and I have it set here.
Oh, okay.
As,
Okay.
Okay.
So right click on the
but then
bullet.
when yeah.
Yeah, I know what you're talking about. So right click on the bullet. No, on your inspector. On your hierarchy, sorry, in your hierarchy. Right click. Empty. Make it create an empty. Okay. Add component and then a sprite renderer. Sprite renderer. And then add the bullet sprite in there. So it's the one you imported.
This one or this one?
Yeah, that one. It's that one. Click and
This one?
drag it. No, the other one. Yeah. And now go to your bullet, the parent, and then erase that sprite render. Okay. And then yeah, and then here, is that correctly rotated?
Yeah, I guess it is
Yeah, right.
now. I don't know how that happened, but
Okay. So now, click on your bullet and then apply all. Okay. Now, try it out.
Correct. Shipping and our cost.
yeah, it still like shoots it sideways.
It still shoots it sideways.
Yeah, I mean it doesn't. I don't know. Maybe it's
Okay.
just
So it looks like you just have to rotate it 90 degrees. So stop playing. Oh, because the parent was already rotated. Okay, so click on your bullet. So drag it out, and you'll see it's rotated wrong. Yeah. So click on your child and then rotate it correctly. Yeah, put 0. Put 0.
Oh, it should be 0.
Yeah, that's 0, and then your child should be -90.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Yeah, there you go. Now apply all. And then press play, and your bullet should be fixed.
Yeah.
Better?
Yeah.
All right.
Are we gonna do the explode on impact thing now? Like when it's
Explode on impact.
no, like destroy. Sorry, like destroy the clones when it hits.
It does. After 3 hits.
Sorry.
After 3 hits, it destroys.
No, mine just falls.
What?
No, like the bullet destroys on every hit. That's what I meant.
Oh, the bullet. Do you want the bullets to destroy on every hit?
Yeah, like it shouldn't stay.
Oh, that's easy. Just on collision enter and then destroy when that happens.
So here, right, and then
Yeah. So this is for everyone. So let's go back to our script. Let's go to the one we just wrote one line. Projectile info.
oh wait, projectile. Okay.
Yeah, just go to projectile info. Okay. And all we're going to write is we're going to write void on collision enter 2D and destroy game object. Simple.
ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು.
Whenever we touch a game object, just delete it. So now your bullets gets destroyed.
Can you copy and paste that?
ಅದೇ
Okay.
ನಾನು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಓಕೆ.
Remember, this is a projectile info. I'm gonna mute you, Carl. Okay, so just remember the collision enter. This belongs under projectile info. Okay. Once you have that, you press play, and your bullets will destroy themselves when they collide with an object. So
Fernando, mine just stopped shooting. It stopped showing up.
when you added what?
When I added the code, it just stopped showing up. No, like it's not shooting anymore.
Did you do the matrix thing? Did you uncheck turret and turret? So go to edit settings.
Yeah, I'm
So edit
edited.
and then project settings.
Yeah.
Okay,
Oh,
and then turret and body and turret shouldn't be touching. Yeah, there you go.
Fernando, I have a problem.
Okay, now it should work, Parshar. Try it out, Parshar. Hold on, one moment.
ಅವರು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅವಶ್ಯಕ ಪಬ್ಲಿಸಿಟಿ ಇದೆ ಅವ್ರ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಕಾಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ.
No. What?
ಸೊ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಅವರು
Can I see your code that you wrote?
HOS hospitals ಅಂತ ಹಾಸ್ಪಿಟಲ್ಸ್ಗೆ
Can you click on your bullet again? Okay. Turret layer. Scroll up the turret layer. Okay, can you click on your turret? Are your turrets labeled as turret? Okay, that is turret. Okay. Can you click on your bullet again? Can you scroll up so I can see the properties? The layer. Yeah. Sorry. Can you go back to your matrix? I think you might have. You were doing the 3D version. Yeah, you're on the 3D version. It's physics 2D. Yeah. No, default is fine.
Oh.
Yeah.
So
or else it won't detect enemies. Yeah. And just those two. Yep. Now go back. Press play. Yeah.
Yeah, it works now. Okay, cool.
Works now?
Yeah, and it destroys.
Okay, perfect. All right, Zane, you had a problem, or yeah, you had a question?
Yeah. Should I present?
ಅಯ್ಯೋ ಅದೇನೇ
Yeah.
ನಂಗಂತೂ ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ.
Okay, so basically my problem is when I play, basically after one of the turrets hits one of my enemies, it's like colored weirdly. Like this color, it turns back to the other color. See?
Oh, because because
the opaque thing, we turned
your
it to-
guys are colored differently. They're the
Yeah.
same guy, but just colored differently.
Yeah, that's what I did.
Okay. Let me. How do you change the alpha on this one? One moment. Let me look this up.
Okay.
Now let me try to do this here. We have. Read only. Come on, if I return. Okay, it's only returning I think we need to set it into a color. Let's see, color n equals this, and then we can define n dot a equals 5f, and then click back here. And okay, so this works. So let me show you what to do. Can you see my screen?
Yeah.
Well, let me continue sharing. This is for everyone else that wants to do this, just in case you have different colored enemies. This is what you do. So instead of removing the color, so this one is just overriding the color. You're doing 1, 1, 1. You're making it pure white. Instead, we're just going to grab the original color. So we're going to say color, OG color.
Wait, this is optional, right?
Yeah, this is optional.
Oh,
Color, OG color. And we're going to say this line, get component sprite render dot color. Just copy and paste this part. Okay, and then semicolon. And then here, this color, we need to change the alpha. So we're going to say OG color dot A for alpha. And what we're going to do is just copy and paste this part where it says current health divided by overall health. And we're going to put it here and then semicolon. Okay. And then finally, we're going to remove the new color part and we're going to put OG color instead, a semicolon, and that's it. So delete everything starting from new color, and we're going to put OG color instead. And semicolon. Okay.
What are we going to do next?
I'm sorry?
What are we going to do next?
Hold on. This is the
Are
color.
we done?
All right, I'm gonna see if it works.
Yeah.
I'm almost done.
Okay. All right. It works.
I have a
Good.
question also.
Yes.
I have a compiler error. Which I'm not
Oh, but
sure
also I have one. Before you help him though, I just have one more question.
Uh-huh.
Yeah. Also, for some reason, sometimes able to place like turrets on other turrets, like right here. See. There's that, and also for some reason my bullets still like look like they're coming out of the turret. They like they're coming out of random directions.
Okay. Can you press pause?
Okay.
Okay. Click on one of your turrets.
Okay.
Can you zoom in? I think the problem that you have is because it's a long square. I mean, it's a rectangle. So so if you move your mouse like right where the square is not covering the whole tile, it's not going to allow you to
Here.
build. Yeah. So what size do I have now? You should make it the grid size. The grid size is I have it 1 by 1. What do you have it on? No, don't do that.
Oh god. Mine is on 1 by 1.
No, it's not. Your size is 1.39 by 2.53.
Wait, but no, it's just 1 by 1 by 1.
No. Your size, your box collider size.
Oh, that's what you mean. Yeah, 1.39 by 2.53. That's just how I don't know. That's just how I scaled it.
Try 1 by 1 by 1. So stop playing and then edit the original one or edit the actual.
This one?
Yeah.
Which one of the two?
Whichever one. It's the same thing. Yeah, and then change the box collider. So go to the child, go to game object, and then change the 1 by 1 by 1. The turret. I mean the box.
So should I just like remember this?
Yeah, just 1 by 1.
How should I just like remember what it was before?
Just do 1 by 1. I just want to see something.
Okay.
And see if it still like lets you spawn there. Okay, try spawning another one in that box.
No, it's not letting me. So do you think this is better then?
Yeah, well, technically, you don't even need the long box collider because
Why does it even need a box collider?
because we can sell and upgrade our towers.
Oh.
That's our next step. Well, you guys, your homework was to do the shop system, and then when you guys are done with the shop system, we're gonna do the upgrades and all this stuff, selling turrets. Okay, yeah, it looks like it's working. And then the random bullet stuff. The reason why, because just like Parashar, your projectile is facing up. It should be facing to the right. So you just
how do
have to
I
make
fix that?
you just make a parent. So just click and drag your projectile out.
Wait a minute, I never overrided this, I don't think, actually.
Uh-huh.
Oh,
Okay, so it just is, then that might be a weird mistake then. Maybe your computer
Yeah.
is taking a.
It looks better now, like with the bullets, I think.
It doesn't collide with itself.
No, I don't think so.
Well, either way, you need to still fix your projectiles because your projectiles are coming out sideways.
All right. So how do I fix it?
Click and drag your projectile out.
Okay.
Okay, zoom in. Okay, well, right click on projectile and make a child. And then add a sprite renderer. So add component, sprite renderer. Sprite renderer. And then click and drag your the laser bullet sprite and put it in none sprite. Perfect. And now go to projectile. Yeah, and then delete that sprite render. Yeah, remove component. Okay. Go back to your child, and then we're gonna rotate our child. We're gonna do 90, negative 90 on the z-axis. Okay, let's go back to your parent, and we need to fix the box collider because I think it's in the wrong place.
Oh, yeah.
So just do. No, hold on.
Oh.
The easiest way is just reverse it. So it says 0.36. Just put 0.56 and the other one 0.36. Just swap them.
0.56.
And the other one
0.36.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Apply all. Override everything. Okay. Press play. Or just delete the bullet, I guess, and then cancel. Delete the projectile. Okay. Press play, and it should work.
Is it working now? I don't really even notice the difference because they're kind of going fast, but
Yeah, well, maybe you can make it go slow, a little
maybe
slower.
it's better now.
Yeah,
I think
it
it's
looks
better.
a little better.
Yeah. At least they're like not firing completely random directions now. They're actually firing towards enemies.
Yeah, I think your barrel is a little bit off too.
Okay.
Oh yeah, your barrel is off. What the heck?
Oh, geez,
Why
what?
is your barrel there?
How'd that even happen? I don't know how that happened, but
Okay, well, press W and move it to the right place.
like that.
Yeah.
Is that good?
Yep.
And then override apply all.
Yep. Okay. Now
What?
press play.
Wait. There. Yeah, that looks a lot better.
Okay, perfect. Okay, awesome. All right. Okay, the next thing is.
Oh, actually, I have a question. It's a compiler error.
Okay.
Yeah. Basically, the thing it says assets/turret.ai.cs error. The namespace global namespace already contains a definition for turret AI.
Okay. Can you share your screen so I can see what's going on? Okay. For everyone else, the next thing you guys will do is.
Fernando, I had a question. Okay, I can wait. But one of the problems with mine is that it, like, the first bullet that the turret shoot every single time misses.
The bullet that what?
Like, so if when it sees an enemy, the first bullet it shoots misses every single time.
Yep, it's programmed to do that. It's really slow at shooting, unless you make it go faster. just put a higher shooting speed.
So, projectile speed.
Yeah, projectile speed. Just make it faster.
Okay.
All right, Reese. Let me see.
Yeah. All right. It's my screen sharing.
Yeah.
Oh, sorry. Here.
Okay. Can you double click on your enemy? I mean, on your red text on the bottom. Your error.
Oh well, it's gonna open up Visual Studio, but okay.
Nice.
Oh wow, I have a lot of errors. It's hard to see.
Turret AI.
Oh come on. I'll just move this out of the way. Whatever.
It's not gonna let you move anymore. Why is Turret AI a problem?
I don't know. I copied and pasted this.
I think you might
We
be
go if
missing
we
it.
don't have any questions.
Yeah, you're free to go. Sorry, it's 12. Just remember that you guys need to do the shop. Make the turrets every time you purchase a turret. I don't know how much you want to make it. You have a set amount, and every time you purchase a turret, it's going to subtract that amount until you have no money left. For bonus, if you guys want to make every time you destroy an enemy, you get like 5 or 10, whatever.
I think I already did the shop one.
And
That's gonna be really hard for me because I don't. That's gonna be really hard for me because I don't have access to Visual Studio.
Well, yeah, I mean, you can uninstall and install it again. That's usually
That probably. I guess that might work. Yeah.
yeah. So
and
for
then tower defense and a whole bunch of other like tower defense games, usually they give you like 80% back.
when you sell the turret.
Yeah.
Oh no, I'm not talking about selling the turret. I'm just saying.
No,
buying
it's when
turrets,
you kill, you get
yeah,
money.
and then kill a enemy.
Enemy.
Mm-hmm. You receive like 10 coins or something. Yeah. So just remember that is due Saturday, and then we're gonna. Sorry, it's due Friday, and then we'll check it. I'll check your stuff on Friday. Okay.
Okay. Bye.
All right. Take care. Bye. Okay. So everyone else is free to go if you guys don't have any questions, and for the ones that do have questions, just stick around.
Okay, thank you.
Bye, guys.
Bye.
Bye.
Have a nice weekend, guys.
you.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye. Bye. Bye. Okay. Let's see. Can you close out of your Visual Studio?
Yeah. Exit Visual Studio.
Okay, let's read this. It's just type it. I already defined start. Can you go to the project? Okay, hold on. Can you click on which one? Turret AI. Yeah, just click on it. Don't double click. Just leave it there. Okay, click on Turret Logic. Okay, click on Turret Shoot. Okay, click on Enemy Health. Right above it. Click on Follow Path. I think you might have copy and pasted the wrong stuff. That's why I'm checking every script. Click on Projectile In. Ah, there's your problem. You copied the wrong script.
Oh, come on.
So Project
Okay.
In, open that up.
Oh, sorry.
And then go to the. I think I have Project In the script. Project In Projectile Info.
Oh
Right
my
there.
God. Come on. Okay. Open with Notepad. There we go.
Okay, and then go to the Google Drive. I think it should be there. Let me stop recording too. We're done.